A head, 4 legs and a shell to protect you from the horrors of the world. What more could you ask for? Let's roll. Alright guys, the first step is going to be to divide the paper in half both ways. That's one way and that's the other way. Now take a corner and you're going to fold the point into the centre of the project. For this video I used some 80 GSM paper, the same grade as your normal white printing paper. Now do a flip flop and you're going to fold the remaining 3 corners into the centre of the project. That's 1, 2, 3. Now unfold those 3 and you're going to divide the project across the diagonal by folding the bottom edge into this crease here. Now if you feel like getting value out of this video, remember to smash the like button. And if you want to see the channel grow, hit the subscribe. Remember to comment, made it, at the end, if you managed to follow along. It all helps the channel grow. Now watch this step before you do it. Move this point into the centre of the triangle here. We're going to make a few marker lines so the head of the turtle ends up being symmetrical. You can tell you are roughly in the right position because the halfway point of this edge here will intersect with this crease. You're going to fold everything past this crease like this and repeat for the other side. Pull the 3 corners back into the centre, flip the project over, point the corner with the fold towards you, and you'll then be ready to collapse everything into a triangle fold. Take the side creases and fold down over this fold. You should be able to collapse the project into a triangle. Now rotate the project so the flat side is facing upwards. Open up one side and fold the bottom point upwards like this. We're now going to make the rear legs. Pinch as closely to the middle as you can and move the entire leg down between the sides until you're happy with where the rear legs sit. Press along the fold to secure their position, and repeat on the other side. Now find the side of the turtle with creases running vertically on the turtle. Fold this edge here up to the front of the turtle, but only actually make a crease to the middle of the turtle. You can fold the whole way, but it's not necessary. The less folds the better, and do the same for the other side. Now let's make the head in one swift motion. Watch carefully. Where this crease here and this crease here are intersecting, the fold is going to change direction. Start by folding the angle crease and putting your finger down near the intersection point to lock it in. Try and keep everything as flat as possible, as you then fold the vertical crease so it tucks in nicely. And yep, the other side is going to get the same harsh treatment. We're now going to reverse the folds we just made so the head is on the underside. Open up the fold and press the head down in position, then just allow the angled fold to fold down over top. If done right, it should naturally fold along the creases you've already made. And bam, there's the other side. Now let's make the front legs. Peel up one of the points from the side. The point is going to be stretched from this point here and positioned in the middle of the project. Just pop it in there. Remember to swipe up, let me know if you made it. And same goes with the other side. Now you may have some discrepancies between the position of the rear legs, so normally I just like to meet this point up with the first one we did. Now we're quickly going to switch to working on the shell. Open up the back layer from the side points and fold it inside itself. Make sure it's angled so it's flush with the edge. You're then going to do the same for the other side. You'll actually end up with a diamond kind of shape. Now we're going to fold the front legs out. The back of the leg should be perpendicular to the project, and the point at the shoulder should be completely stretched out, so there's as little switchback fold as possible, and the same on the other side. Then fold the legs back up. We're going to pull the points from the shell and fold them onto the crease we just made. This allows the shell to wrap around as best possible while staying out of the way of the front legs. And the same on the other side. Fold the legs back out and press down on the creases. Then feel free to fold the nose of the turtle down. I then like to pull my turtle down, but yeah, just like that, you've got your turtle. Well done, ladies and gentlemen. Now I wanted to give my little guy a little bit of extra protection from the real world, so I decided to glue on a shell. I slapped him down on some scrap brown paper that I had, bent up his extremities as best I could, and traced around his shell shape. Then I connected up the gap where his head was and proceeded to cut the shape out. I then used a glue stick to stick the shell down. And please glue the right side. Making a symmetrical shell is pretty tough. Learned that one the hard way. And there you go, a well protected, super awesome turtle. Let me know if you've made it. And on that note, let's crawl our way into a montage.